Hey folks, Stephen here with S&S. We get a lot of calls and people come by on like features on some vehicles, like when you purchase them and you're not sure how everything works. So we figured we start doing some videos, just to let everybody know. Today what we're looking at is a 2013 Dodge Durango. It's loaded up with leather, does have the bench seat in the middle, and does have a third row. Just quickly going through here, we do have traction control right there. You can cut that on and off. We do have the dual climate control, which can control each seat. We do have the voice and the phone with the auxiliary input right there. So basically all you got to do is just plug your phone in right there and it'll take care of all that. Also on the steering wheel, we do have the voice recognition and the phone.
Select one of the following. New memo, play memos, delete all, main menu, or cancel to exit.
Just to kind of give you an idea of everything that you can do with the voice recognition. And then also these buttons right here. Now this will control everything that you do through here. You can go back, you can go up to fuel economy, vehicle speed, I mean, just whatever you want it to be on, it can do. Vehicle info, messages, there's your units and the system setup. Like if you go to fuel economy or vehicle speed, let's just do vehicle speed, then you hit the, whenever you find what you want to, you just hit this button right here. That'll take you to where it goes. Now, once you get to that point, now see how it changed. And we can change it. We'll go to fuel economy. We can do that. We got a lot of different options we can do with the online controls. Also, right back here is the heat and air controls for the back seats in the back. And I think that's pretty much it, folks. Except for, like on these Durangos, this one will have the cigarette plug in the console. And keyless entry. Well, I guess that's it, folks. If I missed anything, just give us a call. 731-968-2812. If we can help you with anything, just give us a call too. You can always visit us online at snsautoSale.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.